tea vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Amir. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And what's tea, you guys? Don't mind my appearance because yeah, it's a lot going on. Today is, what is today? Today is May 13th, I want to say. It is 11:28 and I am currently pulling up to the pet store, y'all. Yeah, I'm probably like, what the fuck are you talking about, the pet store? Yes, y'all, I got a cat for my birthday, you guys. Not only did I get a cat, but I got like the cat that I actually wanted, like orange tabby cat kitten. He's literally, I can palm him with one hand, and he's a boy, obviously. So I'm excited. We're walking into the pet store now to get a couple of things that I forgot to get when I got him. I was in a rush the day that I got him because he was meowing and just being loud in the car, and I just wanted to get him home. Let's go inside the pet store and get a couple of items. He is still very young, so he's like on like weaning food, which is like little mushy ass food. So yeah, let's go. Oh, also y'all, I had an amazing birthday. My trip to Atlanta was so lovely. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better birthday. I didn't really do anything like spectacular in Atlanta. I did vlog, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that vlog yet, because I had got a comment on my birthday vlog, y'all, which I'm not even mad at. I couldn't be mad at. It just was like, you know what? You're right. Let me turn up. This comment here by Miss Ketta S. She told me basically I need to turn up more and tighten up. So it's like, you know, you're right. I do need to tighten up. Did not do a great job vlogging in Atlanta, so I don't know if I even want to get that to y'all. But I am in the pet store, so let me get to the aisle that I need to go in, which is cats. I mean, oh, you know what? I'm lucky sorry I didn't see this when I first came here, because this litter box comes with a scooper, the box, and some freaking bowls, and I spent $40 here on some little shit, so I actually might get this. It's only $20, so I might get this for sure. Freaking cute this little mushroom thing is. That is adorable. These are some cute little cat things. I won't lie, like this one goes with my house aesthetic. These two go with my aesthetic of the house, because I have a brown woody house with a cream couch. I need to also get some. These cat things are nice. Oh my, this is nice. What is it? What is this? This is, I don't lie. The aesthetic of this is tea. These are really cute. Like, this would be so cute in my house. Now, this is crazy. Like, my cat better eat, sleep, live, breathe in this for the price of this. But it's very cute. I will not lie. Like, this is adorable. This would be so cute in my house. And it has a, cat stuff is so cute. Like, I love. But his shitty booty ass got some shit on my cream couch, so I need to find, y'all, what? This is a litter box. What? Pet condo table? Are y'all serious? I didn't even know shit like this existed. Like, what? Are you kidding? This is for a dog or a cat. Like, it's a coffee table, but it's a pet condo. I did not know shit like this existed. This is a cat post / lamp. Don't play. I'm so like literally freaking This is nice. I won't lie. This right here is very, very nice. Like, this is some nice shit. I won't lie. This is nice. What the fuck? This is actually cool. I would not put a litter box in here. This would totally not be for a litter box. What? Y'all, wait. And then they got rugs here? When? This is too cute. Look at this, y'all. Am I late? I must be late. I can't be the only one who didn't know shit like this existed. Like, this is a litter box. All right, y'all. I am currently at Starbucks. First of all, y'all. Okay, I don't know where to start. We have a lot of updates. We have a lot of chit chat in this vlog. So let's start with the car situation because I'm in the car. I got a new car. First of all, you guys, let me start with, because I got in a car accident, but let's start before I got into the car accident. Because literally, you guys, I put diesel gas in my car like a dickhead. Not on purpose, y'all. Not on fucking purpose. Hold on, let me get my stuff. Yeah, I definitely did not do that on purpose, but I put diesel gas in my car, right? That's probably like the beginning of April. That's how I started the month of April off. Hi. Then on April 18th, which was Saturday, I got into a car crash. I crashed my car because I fell asleep driving, you guys. I'm gonna insert the clip here. Yeah. Thank you. Got me. Y'all, I'm on these bad. This is the mango strawberry energy refresher from Starbucks. Bomb. It kind of just tastes like the strawberry acai drink, but this one's better. I think the mango is really doing it. This is a good ad. Hopefully they keep this on their menu. Yeah, this is good. This is always good. 10s. So yeah, I fell asleep driving and I got a new car. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Got me some. I did not eat dinner yesterday, y'all. I just did not have a good I did not have no appetite. I will not lie. And that's a whole other story too, but we're gonna get to that story. Got me a grilled cheese from Starbucks, bomb, and I got me some egg white bites. Cause I did not eat a thing yesterday, y'all. Like, look at my bag. I didn't eat nothing. So yeah, got in a car crash, got a new car 2 days after the crash. What else? I got a 2026 Honda HRV. It's so cute, you guys. I love this car. Like, you would have thought this was another Mercedes. I drive this like I swear up and down it's a Mercedes. Can't nobody tell me it's not. But yeah, I'll show you guys my car probably when I go, probably on Friday, because I plan on getting a car wash. Damn, they in my ass. Like, get out. Get out. It's a big white fat man. Like, sir, you doing a lot. Get the fuck from behind me. So yeah, you guys, we have a lot going on. A lot of shit that took place. A lot of bittersweet things going on. More sweet than bitter for me. Bitter for others, sweeter for me. Yeah, you guys, I'm about to eat my grilled cheese. I don't really have much else to say right now. I'm on my way back home. I have to work at yours truly today at 5. So I'll probably check back in with y'all once I get home because I want to show y'all my cat. Starbucks grilled cheese always gonna get a 10 out of 10 for me. This is, I put this on sourdough with this white cheese. And I know it's frozen, but yet it's still so good. Look at this. Mm. What is T-Vlog? I haven't picked the camera up since Wednesday. It is Friday, May 15th, and it is currently like, maybe like, oh, well, my phone right here. It's 4:43 p.m. And I am currently in Old Navy right now, you guys. I am looking for, I don't care what y'all say, I'm looking for the kid capris. The yellow ones to be exact, because I already got the pink and red one, and I have the blue and white ones, and now I'm looking for the yellow and brown ones. Don't care how y'all feel about it. Everybody keeps saying, y'all wearing kids clothes, Yes. Don't care. I really wanted these ones too. Oh, shit. I really wanted these, but they don't have my size. They do have some of these, girl, but do they have my size? I feel like if you can fit a large in kids, why wait? Appreciate, you know? Don't be mad. Tell me these are not cute. Made them capris. They cute. Kid size. Get you some. These are not the ones I was looking for, but it'll do. Yeah, I fuck with Old Navy the long way because I had $16 off. Well, my mother had $16 off. Sorry if you're watching this. I do have my own account, but I do know my mom probably be having more points than I do. Plus, the last time I was here, I used her account, so technically those are probably my points anyways. Just saying. But right now, y'all, I know I look crazy as fuck. I really don't care the way I'm feeling, the way life is going. I'm just free spiriting the world, and it feels so good outside. I'm actually overdressed. This long sleeve shirt is hot. I can't wait to sit down and chit chat with you guys about what's tea. Y'all won't believe this shit. But I'm about to put my stuff in the car and then go into Five Below. I don't even know if I need anything out of Five Below, but I'm gonna go in there anyway, so. Oh, look how cute this is. It's $7 and it looks easy to put together. I don't know if I told y'all that I got a cat, but yeah, we got this for him. This Five Below is big, but they don't have anything in here or anything that I'm looking for in particular. I've been on TikTok going down the rabbit hole, and apparently Five Below has these like a stand that you can put your perfume on. It's kind of big, it's like yay high, but they don't have it here, so I'm kind of disappointed. So I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna go because I still have to go to the pet store and I need to go clean my car out. So let's go do that. So let's check out first.
No sir, 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 no sir. No made back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, but you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've.
Vlog, this is how my car looks, by the way. I forgot to show y'all when I was cleaning it, but this is her. She's a cutie patootie. Look how cute my Sunny Angel is. It's a 2026 Honda HR-V XL. Thank ya. Cutie patootie. And the back is so cute. I love the back. Like, cute AF, right? And this is the inside. It's pretty basic. Cute little screen, sunroof, leather seats, all the regular schmegular stuff. Yeah. All right, y'all. This is my goody patootie. Say hi. He knows it. He already knows that some of this stuff is for him, obviously. So yeah, y'all. This is my booty goody. I named him Gouda, y'all, but then there's this whole, we got cutie ass. I don't know. I'm gonna let him pick his name, but if he don't pick right, then it's gonna be Gouda. So let's assemble some of his stuff. This assembled. Hopefully this is easy, because it ain't no man around here at this very moment. So I think it should be simple. It looks simple. He's in the litter box right now. Okay. This is the base. This goes in here. Right? Just righty tighty, I'm assuming. Yes, yes, yes. Righty tighty. Perfecto. And then this goes at the top, right? Yes. Look. Do you not like it? Gouda, pay attention. Look. You don't care? Yes, you can scratch this. Look. Okay. Oh, so boom, I got that. This toy is motion censored, so we're gonna charge this up for him. Got this thingy, which is a crinkle sack. So let's see what that gives. We got a crinkle sack here. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little bag. It's like a little knapsack. Look. I hope you play with this shit because this is $9.99. So yeah, we got that. You notice how he's not on the ground playing with none of this shit right now? Look. Okay, we'll get this later. But look at this. No. He's too busy trying to get up on me. Look how tiny he is. Say hi. Look. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. Okay, he wants me to open this. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he wants me to open this. He's not even, look. Little fiddler. Look at all these. I got all these toys out here for you. And you ain't even interested in none. Cats are so like, he's playing with the cardboard. I'm quite literally over him, but we're gonna just rock out and see if he plays with any of this stuff. Hopefully he does, right? Right. Out of all things, this is crazy. Yeah, look at the toys.
Yeah.
Perry!
That's hard move.
And I see you.
All
Right.
What?
She was like,
All right, vlog. I'm at Longhorn.
girl. I was like,
I'm at Longhorn with my bestie. Cheese. I'll give 2 fucks. Woo! Cheers!
What?
I literally
This
did not.
shit looks sad. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, what do you rate your food?
I get this. They was late bringing my shrimp, so that's a deduction. 1 point. I get like a 9.
Oh, that's on. That I was thinking you was gonna say lower. That's a good rating.
No, because maybe I'm drunk.
The drinks were a 10. Won't lie.
No, these are a 10 for real.
Yeah.
I get a food like a 7.5.
Really?
Yeah.
These bitches low key was cold too. These look cold. This is good. Okay, fine. I rated like a 7. It's sweet. I don't like sweet salmon.
They got some type of curry. I think so fine. Or like something.
I like it.
Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Yeah, boy, I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, yeah, love it. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it.
Sir. Yeah.
not do that.
It's Sunday, Sunday.
They be like, oh, what
Sunday.
are you doing?
Oh my fucking god!
What?
But it's too bright.
Just cut it out. That's the one
Vlog,
I was
Jalen always mad about something in this
day.
bitch. Every time we on the
said you got some
vlog,
what?
she always upset. Go back to my last vlog. Tell me I'm lying. Go back. Tell me I'm lying. Fuck them. Oh my god.
Oh, hello. You don't, bitch. If you want to act like a car, you need to
Some
stop like a
bitches
car.
just really thought they was checking some temperatures. Whole time it was piss. Whole time they wanted to have a convo.
She want to talk.
I don't know these.
She want to be friends again. Never again. Now this is my spot right here, McCarthy.
So yeah, you guys.
That shit's so good. They got the best wings.
Wait, that's what I said. She said.
They food good as
What's
fuck.
hungry? It's
I've never been out
8:30.
there. Oh my god. I've never been. They food so good.
And we about to have a time. I don't know. Are we about to have a time? We're about to have a motherfucking time. Motherfucking time.
Look at shooters. I'm so proud of them.
BRB. Alright, the cops. Yeah. The security just told Platinum she can't come in here with her Crocs on. So now she got her tall shoes on. But we're in here. Hi vlog, look who I found vlog.
He's snaggled too. Oh my god, man.
Wait, friend, what's your name?
No, for real.
Amaya.
There we go.
Y'all don't go with me.
She was in my last vlog.
Log into my shit, yeah.
Last of the last. Okay, vlog, we are at the bar currently. Game 7.
And I just put in a bet, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, I done fucked it up. It's looking good right now.
Hope she wins some money, y'all. Fingers crossed. We had shooters and they ain't got no food. Hi, friend. What's good? This is my first time. I was just gonna say, well, this is the first time I've been here since y'all remodeled. Okay, Micaiah got the juice tonight, y'all. Also, y'all, I did not know Jalen really be betting. Like, she got money on the line.
Literally. Talk to me nice. Talk to me fucking nice.
Y'all, and Jalen hit, we standing on top of these bitches. Say I'm lying. Let the Cavs win. If these Cavs win and that shit hit, I can guarantee you we gonna be on top of this bitch. So yeah. Shout out to Adam. Cheers. Okay guys, I got a watermelon margarita. This shit don't taste nothing like watermelon. Jalen got a Douce lemon drop. Period. Cheers. She got up now. Man, what you doing? Come on, drink that drink, bro. I can't do it. Drink. These fucking bugs. Can I tell y'all a secret? Anytime I know I'm coming out with her, I take a liquid ID. Y'all will never catch me lacking.
Cause we gonna have a motherfucking time every
I
time.
will never get caught lacking. I'm drinking a liquid IV every single fucking time I come out with them. Every time. Every time I come out. Every time I come out, you know I gotta show out. I'm drinking a liquid IV. Okay, so as we go on the log road. It feels so good, y'all. It feels like summertime. It feels like outside with some pretty bitches who don't know how to act. That's exactly what it feels like outside. But we are leaving Shooters. We're about to go. Where are we going? I don't know. I don't either. But
Oh, we gotta go back over here.
Oh.
Gonna have the ending.
I thought it was over. Outside with some pretty bitches. I'm just in the car vibing at this point. My car is somewhere parked. We're vibing with Makaya. So wherever she take us is where we going.
It's where the wind is taking us. Hello.
Thank you. It feels so good, y'all. It feels like summertime. It feels like outside with some pretty bitches who don't know how to act. That's exactly what it feels like outside. But we are leaving Shooters. We're about to go. Where are we going? I don't know. I don't either. But
Oh, we gotta go back over here.
Oh.
Gonna have the ending.
I thought it was over. Outside with some pretty bitches. I'm just in the car vibing at this point. My car is somewhere parked. We're vibing with Makaya. So wherever she take us is where we going.
It's where the wind is taking us. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, vlog. We are currently at this bar called McCarthy's. Quick little pit stop. We're about to eat, and then we're gonna turn up for the rest of the night. And that's pretty much what's going on for now. I will pick the camera back up once the food comes out.
We'll be alright.
Check the squad.
You ain't got no points.
Everybody gonna take a cheers. It's okay. Cheers, you guys. Cheers to new beginnings that you motherfuckers don't need to know about yet.
Just watch.
Not yet. Cheers one more time. Tap that. Real soon. Cheers to that. You heard her. We got some garlic parm with some ranch, some mild. We got some fried. Yeah, we gonna stay sit back here. Thank ya. We got food, y'all. We got some teriyaki wings, garlic parm. What kind of wings you get?
Honey lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. We got a lot going on. You got garlic parm? Period. Y'all, we won game 7. Can y'all check? Look at this score. We won game 7. Yeah. Yeah. That's just one. Can you imagine? We about to take a shot. We about to take a shot, yeah. The Cavs just won, you guys. Bailey, did not hear her parlay? No, I did not. Eat this fry. Eat it. Y'all gonna need it. Drink this Hennessy now.
Y'all gonna need that too.
Cheers to the Cavs. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Needed that. Need that. Need that. Dylan did not win the money, y'all. We will not be twerking on any bars tonight. But it's cool. Wait till football season, baby. My brother in the NFL. Thank you. Cheers to that. Clock it. Hold on. Right now. Yep. All right, vlog. We are to our next location. I just feel like. What you feel?
I'm
Just give me the line and pass the drive. The Cavs won, y'all.
The
outside. And we outside with it. I don't gotta work tomorrow. It's a great motherfucking day. We about to go to Grill 55.
Shit, it's going.
Oh, this is okay. Oh, it's nice out here. We're at Rumor. How did we end up? You wanna hang with a bad bitch?
Where the function? Is that your bestie? I'm an actual beyond like Gretzky. I'm an actual like bless me. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, yeah. Is that your bestie? I'm an actual beyond like Gretzky. I'm an actual get
She going for the man in the suit. If you know, you know. I don't want to drink this.
I'm looking for the home.
Yeah, Rumor has the worst bathroom in America. Like, I'm peeing right now, holding the door because these fucking locks are broke. Do better, Rumor, please.
Good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball. Y'all, it is currently 1:54 p.m. I'm currently at Pope because I had a liquid IV yesterday, right? I felt kind of shitty this morning because a lot was done. I was already drinking red wine on the way downtown. Then I had Hennessy. I had some unknown tequila in that margarita. I had Don Julio. I think that's it. I had red wine, Hennessy, unknown tequila, and Don Julio. You would think I would be dead, but liquid IV. Get you some. I'm telling you. Right now I'm in Pulp, y'all. I'm waiting for my smoothie. And I got a bag of these. And I'm on my way to the zoo. Y'all, I'm taking a solo date to the zoo because one, nobody wants to go to the zoo with me. And I don't have any children, so I take myself. And I just took Eddie Murphy. So we waiting on him to kick in. But yeah, we are going to the zoo. Oh my god, I just realized I have no lip moisturizer. Anyways, vlog, I am currently at the zoo and I feel like it's like a law that you go see the elephants first because they're right here and they're literally right here. So let's take a look. Y'all, I think if I was a bird, I would definitely be a flamingo. Like, they pink. First of all, they're pink. That says it all. Secondly, they don't have to do a motherfucking thing. They tall, they graceful. Uh-oh. All right, I'm currently about to go see these elephants. It definitely smells like shit. Won't lie. It smells like, oh my god, meerkats. Y'all, People be saying I look like this thing. And then it just so happens to be called a meerkat, and that used to be my nickname. Let's see. Do y'all think I look like him? Okay, this is the view, which is his ass. So that's all we can see from right here. Y'all, nobody looks happy to be here. Like the parents. But maybe because their parents, they're not happy to be here. Because I am enjoying my little time just moseying around. But everybody got their mug on because they with their badass kids. Like, not my fault, truly. But we are about to see the lions right now. Okay, y'all. So there is the female lion. It's a man lion over there somewhere. But you can't really see him from this angle. But look how pretty she is. She's so cute. Just grooming herself in the corner. I'm going this way, y'all. Alright, I'm walking up this hill, which is a good little workout, by the way. I'm trying to find the giraffes, and I actually think I'm right here. But I don't see no giraffes, y'all. Maybe I'm not the right area. I don't know. These people look so miserable with their kids. Y'all, they got zip lining at the zoo. We can't see her because she gone already, but I kind of want to get on this, but y'all, I found the giraffes. And man, this one keep looking. Look at that tongue. Right here. They look so sad, y'all. I won't lie. Like, he's over it. He's over him. I don't know, but they look really. This man right here, y'all.
Alright guys, general reminders, please keep our hands to ourselves. No touching, no petting the animals.
He said he a dog groomer, so he deal with this every day. Mind you, we looking at giraffes. We do not deal with no
Not do the feeding anymore?
We are doing feeding, but it is cash only at the moment.
But you guys just still do the feeding. I'm when I first started that.
Y'all, the man that's talking in the back, the lady who's with the giraffes literally just said, like, they're not gonna come, they're standoffish. She said, I work at the vet. I deal with dogs every day. Oh shit, I ain't even see this damn giraffe right
If
here.
you want to feed the giraffes, you can purchase them at the restaurant. Rules, please, no touching or petting the
Look how
giraffes.
close we
If you
are.
do want to purchase leaves to feed, it is cash only today. And please no.
Y'all, my sick ass, I just said, where the bar at? Because I just seen something that kind of, this looked like a bar area. I don't know. I'm talking about, where's the bar? Anyways, my black ass is hot. I will not lie. Look at the giraffes behind me. Y'all, I swear, 95% of the people here got attitudes. Like, I think I'm in the snack area. These kids aggravating the fuck out of them. I will not lie. But, like I said, I'm enjoying my time. It's just so fucking hot. Like, I picked the hottest day to come to the zoo. Yeah. It's damn near 90. It is 86 degrees, and that's 90 in my eyes. So, that's what we got going on. Everybody got their bellies out. Nobody was prepared for summer. And that's okay. That's y'all. Me? I'm getting ready. The summer ain't come yet, so we still got time. But the ladies here just don't give a fuck. They're yelling at their babies. Their stomachs is just on the ground. It's hot as fuck. I don't know. I've been to the zoo with some kids, so I know they aggravated as fuck, but they mean as hell out here. They ain't even buying the babies to shave ice. Let me stay out of grown folks' business, though. I'm walking, so I'm gonna see y'all once I get to the next place at the zoo. Y'all, I should have worn my waist trainer, but like a part of me was like, damn, I could have wore a workout outfit with a waist trainer, but then I would have been like dead. I would have passed out at this fucking zoo, and nobody would have been like, well, I don't even know, but I would have been passed out at the motherfucking zoo. That's all I know. I need a nap, y'all. I need a nap because I'm just so. And I already walked past here, so yeah. Let me figure out where I'm going. Because it's too fucking hot to just be chit-chatting about nothing. Y'all, I think this edible is on me because I just don't have the ability to walk any farther. Like, I want to leave. It's hot as shit. My boobs don't never sweat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going home. That's all I needed to see was some titty marks. That is crazy, y'all. I don't have no boobs, nor do my boobs be sweating. It's wraps. Y'all, that's crazy. That is really crazy, though. I'm not gonna lie. I cannot believe my boobs are sweating. I never in my 26 years of living, which sounds crazy that I'm 26, ever had my titties sweat. And they sweating. And they noticeably sweating. I got to get the fuck out of here.